Hi there, the beast is back. Here is the newly launched Amazfit T-Rex 2, and this time they have truly taken it to the next level. So it comes with dual band 5 satellite positioning system, which means quick and stable connectivity while tracking your outdoor workouts. Then it goes through 15 military grade toughness tests, and frankly I don't think there's any other smartwatch that can even come close to this. Then we get the AMOLED display with always on mode, of course. Then it comes with 150 sports modes, 10 ATM water resistancy rating, and tons of other health monitoring features and so much more. We've barely even scratched the surface. So let's quickly take you through an unboxing followed by a full review, and trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Amazfit T-Rex 2. You can see the image of the watch right here. Below here you can see some of its key features. Box packaging is really nice, up your game, really cool. Now towards the back you can see some of the manufacturing details and the MRP of 21,999. Okay, let's quickly unbox it. Alright, here is the T-Rex 2. Just gorgeous. Okay, we'll have a look at it in just a moment. And here are lots and lots of paperwork, user manual in multiple languages. So we get the standard magnetic charging cable that you've seen with other Amazfit devices. It aligns and attaches magnetically as you bring it closer. Alright, let's have a closer look at it. So first look and you know that it's a T-Rex. The industrial rugged design is extremely eye-catchy. The body is made of polymer alloy and the watch weighs 66.5 grams. It has passed 15 military grade toughness tests, making it one of the strongest watches in this category. The straps are made of silicone and have this really unique design. T-Rex written on the strap itself. Then you can spot 4 buttons on this watch, 2 on the left while 2 on the right. Then towards the back, right in the center, you can spot the sensors and the charging terminals. The watch comes with 10 ATM water resistancy rating, so I can say it's safe to wear in the rain, at the gym, for a shower, or even while you swim. In fact, it's ideal for professional swimmers as it even comes with swim tracking. Then it can resist minus 30 degrees temperatures. So if you're like a mountain climber where temperatures drop sub-zero, this is going to be just fine. So now you know that Amazfit has genuinely built this watch like a tank. In fact, it also looks like one. Coming to the display. So we get a 1.39-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels. The color reproduction and clarity is one of the best you can get on any smartwatch. It also comes with 1000 nits of peak brightness, which means it gets bright enough, making it ideal to use outdoors during the day as well. By the way, the interface is really smooth and very well optimized. The best part of T-Rex watches is that you can use the buttons on the side to scroll through up and down. It's got a nice tactile feedback which makes it even more precise than touch. However, you can use the touch display as well. Press and hold on the home page to change the pre-installed watch faces. Now, there's a decent collection of analog and digital watch faces here. Now, I'll just briefly take you through the interface. When you go back and you come to the home page, if you swipe from up, you can access the quick toggles. There's torch, there's do not disturb, there's theater mode, there's date, there's battery. By the way, it also comes with auto brightness feature, which means the brightness will adapt as per the lighting conditions. Very, very helpful. This helps also save battery. Also, especially worth mentioning, the display comes with anti-fingerprint coating. So basically it doesn't attract any fingerprints or smudges. Really, really handy. Then if you swipe from down, you can access the weather. It's like cards, your last workout, your workout status, PAI, alarms, your sleep tracking, heart rate. And I'm sure you can see that the interface is buttery smooth. Look at that. It actually feels like swiping on your phone's display. It's that smooth. Then you come back. If you swipe right, you can access the menu. There's PAI, there's workouts, there's workout history, workout status, heart rate, SpO2, one-tap measuring, stress tracking, activity, there's sleep tracking, there's compass, there's barometer, there's weather, there's music, there's alarms, there's calendar, there's settings, and here are some more apps. So first is sun and moon, where you can see the sunrise time, moonrise time, sunset time, all that in detail. Then the second is the menstrual cycle tracking for women. Then there's a breathe app, stopwatch, countdown, find my phone, world clock, to-do list, Pomodoro timer, and camera remote. Then if you go inside the settings, You can change your watch faces and time. If you're going to display, you can set the brightness, duration of the screen, always on mode. Yes, you can set always on mode. And you can also choose the style. You want an analog clock like this. Check these out. Wow. Pretty good collection. Then there's sound and vibration. Workout, there's auto workout detection. You can turn it on and off. It's for walking, indoor walking, outdoor running, treadmill, outdoor cycling. You can enable it right from here. So whenever you start a workout and forget to turn it on, and if this is chosen, it will actually collect your workout data. It will also use the GPS. You can choose the accuracy levels, about, regulatory, restart, shutdown, and factory reset. So overall, the interface is really well optimized, as you can see. No problem. In fact, you're going to love it. Then the T-Rex 2 comes with dual band 5 satellite positioning system. There's GPS, there's Galileo, there's GLONASS, there's Baidu, there's QZSS. Everything you need is here. Basically, it helps map your outdoor workouts like running, cycling, trekking more accurately. We tested it for an outdoor run and it got a fix on our location almost instantly. And that's all thanks to that dual band support. Then during our workout, you can see the time, you can see the heart rate, you can see the pace and all the necessary details. And when your workout is complete, you can see the map and summary of your workout as well. Then it comes with 150 workout modes. You can check out the collection. It's huge. Anything that you need is here. In fact, there's also auto detection mode for 8 workouts. So it features the BioTracker 3.0 PPG biometric sensor to monitor your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, stress tracking, and even sleep tracking. Above all, it has this one app, one tap test that tracks your health where you receive the result in as little as 45 seconds. There you go. It's kind of an all-in-one. Then I wore this watch to also track my sleep and it gave me pretty comprehensive readings from heart rate to sleep tracking to my breathing pattern. And I have to say that the T-Rex 2 provides one of the most accurate and detailed readings when it came to health monitoring. However, still keep it in mind that use this just for reference and not for medical purposes. Then we also received call alerts with vibration. You can see the caller's name and an option to silent the ringer or reject the call. There is no way to answer or talk using this watch. Remember, this is not a phone calling watch. It's designed keeping fitness, workout, health tracking, and military sturdiness as a priority. Similarly, you receive app notifications where you can see app icons and read the message. There's no way to reply. Coming to the battery. So the T-Rex 2 comes with a mammoth 500 mAh battery on board and they claim 24 days of battery life with typical use. Now, this is the kind of watch that you charge and forget. Of course, battery life will still vary depending on how you use it. Like using the GPS too often for workouts will drastically impact your battery life. There's always on mode, brightness level, things like these. But still, I can say 10 to 15 days is what you're going to breeze through easily. Battery life on the T-Rex 2 is solid, no two words about that. Coming to the Zepp app. So right here on the home page, starting from the top are the steps taken, the distance walked, the calories burned. In sleep tracking, you can see a lot more detail about your sleep pattern. Coming back, here you have your heart rate, your PAI, your activities, your outdoor workouts. In tools, your running, walking, watch faces. If you come to app alerts, you can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Further down in health, you can see your activity. If you come into profile, you can see the connected devices, the battery percentage. If you come into add accounts, you can share your data with WeChat, Apple Health, Strava, and Relive. If you're using an Android phone or a Google phone, you can share your data even with Google Fit. Very, very handy feature. Then further, if you go in here, you can see the battery percentage, health monitoring. So you can choose auto heart rate tracking, active heart rate monitoring, auto sleep assist, stress monitoring, blood oxygen level, all auto features that you can enable. But remember, this will drain a lot of battery life. Then further in notifications, you can choose incoming call alerts, app alerts again, stand reminder, incoming SMS, incoming email, goal notifications. Then coming to watch faces, you can see you have loads of collection available here. Analog, digital, just go crazy. Check that out. Frankly, the ones that come pre-installed are also very impressive, so I'm sticking to that. But even if you like to, there are so many more that you can download from here. Just click and sync. And there you go, the new watch face has been transferred to the watch. I'll go to the default one because I really like it. Similarly, you can also custom set watch faces. You can come into this option, take an image from your phone gallery, There you go. Click choose, click sync. And there you go. Custom watch face also is set. Then you have app list management, shortcut cards, find watch, discoverable, heart activity, real-time data, system update, and about this device. So overall, this is a really nice, and it has everything you need. All your workout data, you can also share your data, and it's fairly easy to use. Alright, coming to the price. So the Amazfit T-Rex 2 is priced at 15,999 and it's available in 4 colors. There's black, the one I'm wearing, there's black and gold, there's wild green, and there's khaki. You know, this is one of those few watches I believe looks good on men and women. It's eye-catchy, it's trendy, it's functional, it's dependable, it's terrific. Yes, I know some of you would want that phone calling feature too, but remember, that's what the Amazfit GTR 3 Pro is for. This is a military-grade smartwatch for fitness enthusiasts, trekkers, and sportsperson. Can't go wrong with this one. I'll share the links for all the colors in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check this out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, you can mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.